Hi my peeps, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, my name is Shanice and a warm welcome to you. In this one, we will be doing this invisible ponytail that is perfect for any occasion. Take less than 15 minutes and you will be only needing a few things. First, you need the hair of your choice, some holding spray, the gel of your choice, some hair ties, and a hairpin. Here I have a 16 inches bundle and I'm going to show you how I turn that into 20 inches. Let's get straight into it. But before we do, I just want to say Happy New Year to you all. I wish abundance upon your life and your families for 2025 and beyond. And I just want to remind you that only Jesus can turn a mess into a message, a test into a testimony, a trial into a triumph, and a victim into a victory. So please keep him close. Firstly, I'm brushing my hair to catch it exactly where I would want my ponytail to be. I didn't flat iron my hair, but if you wish, you can go ahead and do that. I left out some pieces at the sides because I prefer to have some hair framing my face a bit, and I thought that was the perfect idea. So I'm making a ponytail exactly where I want my ponytail to be. I'm making the ponytail before I add my gel. So now I'm going for my Redken playable paste. Love, love, love it because it is so flexible and keeps the hair in place at the same time. Grabbing some of that, and I'm going to just put that in the palm of my hands and rub that on my hair. Guys, this thing was so sticky, it was so tacky, but it's crazy because it is so movable and tacky and it keeps the hair well put. So I just love it. Rubbing that all over my hair. I prefer to do it this way, you guys, but if you like a more stiffer feel or a more sleeker paste, you can go ahead with your eco styling gel, go under the dryer and get that dried, and then that would be very firm. But I prefer something that I can play around with, so I love me some Redken playable paste. After I've done that, I'm grabbing my spoolie and I'm gonna do some edges, baby. If you've never tried doing your edges with a spoolie, please try it out because it is easier, quicker, and it's just more manageable in my opinion, and it comes out more soft and not too much. So I'm not really big on edges, but I like me some soft edges, right? So we're gonna do just that. But the spoolie is a game changer when it comes down to your edges. So try it out and let me know. You guys, you have to have finesse. All right, you have to have finesse when you're doing your edges, because trust me, sometimes you get one side and you can't get the other side to look the same. So you have to have a little finesse and not too rough, and just go through and have some patience. If you don't usually do edges when you start, have some patience with it because it can be tedious if you don't usually do it. So you guys, after I made that ponytail, I'm just gonna give my hair a plait, and I'm gonna make sure that the plait is firm. All right, plait the hair as tightly as possible. And then when I get to the ends, I'm gonna grab a elastic or hair tie, anything of your choice, and I'm gonna put that on the ends of my hair. No, If you have that, you're on the right track. Guys, I have my bundle and I am going to double the bundle. And for the closed end of the bundle, that's where I'm going to put the hairpin. So you see, I doubled the bundle. If your bundle is curly, please go ahead and flat iron it first. If it's straight, go ahead and curl it first if you would want curl. And as you can see, I placed that hairpin at the loop of the closed part of the hair that I doubled. Then I'm using that pin and I'm installing it at the ends of the hair where the rubber band is to make sure that it is well put, tightly placed. Then I'm going ahead and wrap that around. Yes, the hairpin will come through the end of the plait, but that's totally fine because you won't see it. As you can see, I am wrapping that hair around, and make sure that how you're wrapping the hair, you're wrapping it tightly. And as you can see, I'm using my fingers to hold the tension on the hair so I never lose tension, right? Because remember, we're not using any glue and we're not using any thread. We are just doing this style with the hairpin and the hairspray. So make sure that tension is there, because if you don't keep the tension while you're wrapping the hair, it is gonna fall out because there will be no reinforcement to keep it there. So tension, tension, tension. Now guys, as we go closer to the finish, I want to let you know that there is, remember the ends that we have is the end that has the two open side of the bundle. So you're gonna let go one of that and you're gonna grab the hair that is at the end of the bundle and you're gonna wrap that around. As you wrap that around once or twice, you're gonna take the second end of the bundle and you're gonna combine it, and then you're gonna wrap that around until the ends is completely wrapped. Use your fingers to feel, just to feel and know that the tension is there. All right, and then when you wrap that around, you are good to go. Now you're gonna grab some hair from the back of the ponytail. You're gonna comb that through. You can add a little gel or hairspray if you wish, and then you're gonna wrap that around where you had wrapped the first one. Wrap that around with your finger as the guide to make sure that it is lying flat and there is no knots or anything like that. Wrap that around with the tension. Keep the tension nice and firm. And when that is done, you grab your Pump It Up, any hairspray of your choice, and you spray a generous amount on the loose end and use your finger to guide that in. If you're going to be wearing this hairstyle for more than a week, I would advise you to get a little bit of hair glue and glue the end of the piece that you're wrapping around, and that will last forever. Now I finish with my ponytail, my invisible ponytail, and I'm just gonna flat iron my leave out once. No, you guys, I love these things that I decided to leave out. I just think they makes the hairstyle look softer, because look, when I hold them back, it gives me a totally different look. So I love that I left it out. And this is the look, you guys. This is it. Voila, this hairstyle is so quick and so sleek. So I'm grabbing some BioSilk and I'm just putting that on the ponytail to give it some sheen. You can use any polish of your choice. Now guys, look how I turn a 16 inches bundle into a 20 inches bundle. Isn't that clever? And that's the finished look. Tell me if this is gonna be your next DIY hairstyle, because this is so gorgeous and fancy, don't it? I mean, you know, you never go wrong with a ponytail. Just like when you wear jeans and heels, it just can never get old. That's ponytail for me. So your girl put in her earrings and she is ready. Guys, I just added a little of the playable paste on the hair that I left out at the side, and it was perfect. No, guys, that's the finished look. I hope you try this hairstyle because I know it's gonna be a success for you and you will love it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you would like more videos like this one. See guys, it's not moving. All right, so thank you. Bye.